Alright, according to the temperature thingy here on my dashboard, it is 45 degrees outside. Maybe you should take advantage of this warm weather and get that snow off your roof there, you know. It can't get any easier than now to clean it off. Remember when I said earlier, like the snow's starting to fly off of there too. It's still, no, it's 50 degrees now, and there goes another thing of snow coming off of there. No excuses. Oh, look at all the snow, Nissan driver. Holy shit. Wow. Whoa, look at all that snow. Ah.
And so we're at a conclusion. And so you've had a
whoa,
experience.
That almost set me.
What, apart from
1, 2, 3. Say it with me. Because Prius. Scrape the snow and ice off your rear window. What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't drive around like that. You can't see shit. Look at the snow flying around. Yo, clear the snow off your windows. Come on. Okay, pull back in there. All right, pull back in there and try again. You gotta do better than that.
As it is for other issues. You know what I mean? Because we are talking.
Holy crap, look at all the snow blowing off of that car. Look at all that snow covering up the rear window of that Camry over there. Toyo turd, and it's all falling off now. In fact, the Toyo turd in front of me has a bunch of snow on its roof too. I should point that out as well. You let me down with all the lack of snow clearing on your car. Really?
Like sword.
You can't get the stuff out of your head. Come on. And that Nissan driver, holy crap. And that Chevrolet driver, we got a 3 in a row where it's like, come on, really? Hasn't snowed in the last 2 days. Okay, I got into this debate with someone in the comments in one of my earlier videos. They do make ice scrapers that could reach that high up on the roof of vans. I should know this for a fact because I got one. This van's over 8 foot high and I'm able to do it with that. No excuses, people. Come on. Do a better job, Hyundai.
Send me to fucking Russia. Okay? Send me to, listen to me. Listen.
Cadillac. And whatever that thing is. Dude, you can't even see your frickin' headlights. Can't even see shit. Come on, do better. Could have done better.